Welcome back to my channel. If you are looking to monetize your passion for online marketing, you are in for a treat. In today's video, we are delving into a gold mine of opportunity. The affiliate program that offers $10 per sign-up and flat $200 per sale. The Semrush affiliate program is based on the last click attribution and offers a flat $200 commission for every new Semrush subscription sale and $10 for every free new trial activation. If you are passionate about SEO, content marketing and all things digital, Semrush is the ultimate toolkit for you. With features like keyword research, site audits and competitive analysis, it's a game changer in the industry. And guess what? They have opened the doors for you to earn while sharing the power of Semrush with others. As an affiliate, you become an advocate for a tool that has helped countless businesses thrive in the digital landscape. The Semrush affiliate program offers generous commissions for every customer you refer. Whether it's bloggers, SEO specialists, or businesses looking to up their online game, you earn a percentage of their subscription fee. It's like getting paid for being the bridge to their success. The Semrush affiliate program is based on the last click attribution and offers a flat $200 commission for every new Semrush subscription sale and $10 for every sign-up that activates free trial. Head over to the official Semrush website, navigate to their affiliate section and sign up to become an affiliate partner. The sign-up process is straightforward, and once you are in, you will gain access to a treasure trove of promotional materials including banners, links and resources to help you spread the word effectively. Now, to really make the most out of the Semrush affiliate program, let's talk about some key tips for success. First, educate yourself about Semrush. The more you know, the better you can explain its value. Second, tailor your promotions to your audience. Whether it's through blog posts, videos, or social media, make it relatable. And third, be authentic. Share your personal success stories with Semrush to build trust. As we wrap up, remember that the Semrush affiliate program is not just about earning money, it's about being a part of a community that's driving digital transformation. So if you are ready to embark on a journey that combines passion and profit, this is your moment. Thank you for tuning in today. If this video has ignited your affiliate spirit, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more exciting content. See you in the next video.